Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ChatGPT. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search about ChatGPT. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ChatGPT, and here you will update your app if you find update in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.